channel, Simply Wendy. Today we are making homemade dog biscuits. I'm still at my parents' house. I've made French bread with my dad. I've made an apple crumb cake for my mom. And Daphne, their German Shepherd, felt a little left out. So we're giving her a treat today. For our dog biscuits today, I've decided to go to the peanut butter route. What dog doesn't love peanut butter? So we are going to be using 2 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg, 1 cup of water, and a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Make sure it is the creamy kind, not the chopped up nut kind. Daphne, who are you barking at? So I've rolled out some of our dough, and I'm going to use a cookie cutter, a little star cookie cutter, to cut out some stars. These actually look like starfish, okay, hence the star. All right, here we go. Oh boy. And in the oven we go. I have for Daphne. What do I have? Oh.
Sit.
Can you plots? Plots.
Sit.
Sit. Sit. Good sit. Oh, is that a good cookie? Oh, she's gonna take it. Oh, she dropped it on the floor.
I got peanut butter in it.
She's licking it. Oh, she doesn't like it.
Oh, she'll eat it. She's just too big for her dainty mouth.
Maybe I'll break it.
Good, Daphne? It's delicious. There's peanut butter in it, Mama.
You followed me into the kitchen, Daphne. You want more? You want more? Not only one. Only one.